the best thing that you can do in terms of avoiding disease is to support your immune system. There's no, and we have to be careful about how we talk about, this virus or any other virus.
Right.
This CBD doesn't kill the coronavirus, but it makes us much less vulnerable, much less receptive. CBD, if you remember the three functions of the endocannabinoid system, balances all hormones, balances all brain chemistry, and regulates immune system and inflammation. When we look at what happens with COVID-19 is people who get really ill, it's because, number one, their immune system didn't properly defend against the virus. And then once it activates, it goes crazy. And there's a chemical process called the cytokine storm. The cytokine storm is what causes massive inflammation in the lungs. And that's why people die. So CBD does two things. Number one, it modulates our immune system. It actually helps our defenses so that the virus cannot enter our cells to replicate. That's one important difference between viruses and bacteria. Bacteria can grow on all kinds of surfaces. Viruses cannot replicate on surfaces. Viruses have to get into a cell and borrow your cell's materials in order to divide and replicate. What CBD does is to improve your immune response to keep that virus from entering the cells. And then in the event that there is a small amount of virus that gets in, it helps to prevent inflammation and that cytokine storm so that even people who get infected are less likely to have disastrous results as a result of that. So it really works on a couple of levels, helping to prevent binding of that virus to the cell so that it can enter, and also mediating the inflammatory response so that if there is an infection, we're much less likely to have a disastrous outcome.